Hi, welcome along to Barbecue Life UK. My name's Tom. Today I'm going to teach you how to cook smash burgers on the Aldi Kamado using the still smoking pizza plate. So we've got 80-20 ground beef here. You want them in snooker ball size pieces, and the idea is that we push these onto a hot plate using a spatula and you get the Maillard effect. So we're going to get our charcoal lit first of all. So I've got unlit charcoal in the bottom of the Kamado at the moment. I'm just going to go in with 3 wax Woodie firelighters, and then we're going to open all the vents and let this come up to temperature. I'm looking to that's probably going to take about half an hour. Once we're up to temperature, you want to go on with your still smoking pizza plate. Shut that up, let it come up to temp. And once it's smoking, you want to get on, drop your meatball on, and then push down with a spatula on the top. Hold it for as long as you can, about 10 seconds is about right. And this pushes the fat down and the proteins of the meat, and you get the Maillard effect. So it gives you a nice crust on the outside of the burger. So I forgot to hit record before I flipped. As you can see, there's a nice crust on these burgers. You'll get to see the next lot, because I've got another 4 to cook in a minute. You want to get straight on with your cheese as soon as you've flipped them. And then my secret ingredient for tasty burgers is Worcester sauce. So we're going to drop some Worcester sauce on that hot plate. That's going to make steam. Cover it over with a bowl, and that steam is what melts your cheese. As you can see, nice melted cheese, perfectly cooked burgers, about a minute and a half each side. Get them off and we get the next lot on. So you may have seen that I had my spatula sticking over the edge of the barbecue and it was quite hot. So make sure you don't do that when you're making smash burgers. 2 reasons. 1, you're going to burn your finger when you push down, and 2, this. The top of that burger is stuck to the spatula where it started to cook it. So I'm going to scrape that off and get the rest of them on. So as soon as the colour starts to come up the sides, that is when you're ready to flip. And as I say, it's only about a minute and a half. Get them flipped over, and as you can see, there's a lovely crust on each one. And as soon as you've flipped, straight on with that cheese, straight away. Get your cheese on, bit of Worcester sauce to create some steam, cover it over, melt your cheese. Really simple, quick and easy cook. We'll get these off. Now, I'm not going to tell you how to build your burgers. Everyone's got their own preference, sauce and salad and gherkins and non-gherkins. You build it however you want. So as you can see, nice cooked all the way through. Beautiful burger. Well, so I'm not going to lie to you, that is the first time I've cooked smash burgers on here. I've done them on the Weber a few times, and I've done them indoors in a frying pan, but that's the first time doing them on here. And without doubt, that Maillard reaction is the best I've ever had on here through the heat that you can generate. Let's give this a munch. It's a much different texture to a normal grilled burger because you get that crust, but you've still got moisture in the middle, so it doesn't dry out. So it works really, really well. If you like what we're doing here at Barbecue Life UK, then please do consider subscribing to the channel. Make sure you like the video and leave us a comment underneath. I'm going to be putting down here in a second another Kamado cook. Make sure you click on it and check it out. Cheers.